Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Gdevelop 5. Today I'm gonna introduce another new extension with you all. So the thing is, if we want to trigger a action, it happen just after we trigger it, right? Like suppose here, if I press the key T, it will change the background color to red, like this. So the thing is, what if you want to trigger this action after 5 seconds? So I just made an extension for that. What you have to do is just add a new event, add this action here, and add action from the delay action. Just name it anything, like anything, and add the condition, name it anything, and the delay time will be 5 seconds. Okay, so now if we press the key T, it will take 5 seconds to change the color here. Well, the extension is free to download. The link will be in my description. Thanks for watching.